Slovak Prime Minister Robert Fico is fighting for his life in hospital after being shot in a small town northeast of Bratislava. More than 75% of candidates participated on the first day of the Common University Entrance Test (UG 2024) examination held yesterday. President Draupadi Murmu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi greeted people on the occasion of Sikkim Statehood Day. IB Minister Anurag Singh Thakur appreciated the collaboration of several private sports channels with India Signing Hands Private Limited for providing Indian Sign Language and audio descriptive commentary during T20 World Cup 2024. Indian football legend Sunil Chhetri has announced his retirement after a distinguished career with the national team.